sticks when we ride. We slang out where they hiding. We slang out where they hiding.
What's up, guys? Again, you already know it's your boy Ghghussle, man. Hold on, let me turn on the car, man. Gas prices is too hot for that. But today we're gonna be talking about the Pine World pistol safe, man. It's the K5. I didn't say K2.
Hey.
But yeah, we're gonna be talking about this safe right here. This is the Pine World. Hey, come on, man. You gotta get the angles. You gotta get the angles. So as you can see, it says the Pine World. You know, this is a new age safe. As you can see, it got the key unlock, and it also has fingerprint.
Oh, let me
and
see
it
that
also
fingerprint.
has beep boop bop passwords. This safe also has apps where you can track the safe.
Track the safe? But wait. Why you need to track a safe if a safe is supposed to be in your house anyway? Oh,
Somebody break
you're
your
right.
house.
You're right.
And
That sound like some.
like a Nintendo or something.
Yeah.
But it also has a drop test. Hold on, I don't think I dropped it. Oh! Also has a drop test rating of 1,000 newtons. And,
You know what we should do?
I'm lying. What?
We should go to the tallest building in our city and drop it from the top. I know it.
0.5 seconds reaction time.
0.5.
Already unlocked. Already unlocked.
Hold up.
Yeah, Drake.
Hold on. I don't think you unlocked, Shouty.
She capping.
Shouty, you're not unlocked.
Maybe you.
Wait.
Maybe that big old Ram truck.
Hold on. I don't think this said this was run over. Oh. I done broke these folks. Stop doing the wrong thing, boy. Man, hold
You
on.
put a little too much pressure.
Hold on.
You did too much. You
It
went too
says
far.
0.5 second fingerprint unlock. 10 gauge steel frame.
10
Stops the
gauge.
Glock 19, which is a 9mm.
It's not run overable.
It says bear car rolling, and it has a drop test. What is bear rolling? Oh, that's not a bear, that's a cow. See, nah, I'm not tripping. Cause check this out. You got a good, can it see a good drop test? Vroom. Boy, stomping on it, boy. Stomping.
What did you call that? What did you call that?
What?
That kick?
Oh, that's the curb stomp.
Already unlocked.
She lying. You lying.
Maybe it wasn't Ram truck rent.
Yeah, that's what I think. I don't
Let
think
me
the
try to
Ram
open it.
truck. I think the Ram truck was too much. If that flies off, it hits me.
See if it opened up now.
Oop, it landed in some doo-doo.
Oh,
Already unlocked.
why didn't I open it?
You know what we need?
Huh.
What the things that they use to break into cars?
Crowbar?
Yeah, a crowbar.
Yeah, I ain't got no crowbar.
Do you still got your old crowbar?
I ain't never had no crowbar.
Oh, sorry. Cut that out. Okay, it is capping now. Get the key and pry it open.
Alright, maybe if we run it over, if we reverse, we'll reverse what we just did.
Yeah, you're right. You're definitely right. good. It's good. You ran it
Yeah.
over. You reversed it.
Is it? You said it's good. Nah, still ain't work.
Already unlocked.
I can't do it if you're watching me.
Ooh, snap! Is something in it?
You put something in it.
Nah, I think that's the batteries. All right, well,
Or just shoot it up.
we'll just shoot it up. We'll see. Does that make it cap? If it couldn't,
If it couldn't handle the Ram truck, can it handle
yeah. Let's see if
a,
they cap.
a 19? Because they said a 19. They didn't say a 9 mil.
Yeah, they said a Glock 19. All right, we're gonna first start out with the see what we got in here. Glock 44, chambered in 22 long rifle.
22?
We have approximately 3, 6, 7 bullets, hollows.
These ain't just regular 22.
It says it stops at Glock 19. Glock 44. Well, that's a good sign. That's the back of it. These holes been here because you could mount it down
To the wall.
to the wall, or not to the wall, but
Oh,
you know.
Pretty
Oh, maybe it opened it up.
Let's see.
Alright. Alright, it says it can stop a Glock 19, but can it stop a Glock 43X though? Chambered in 9mm, just like the Glock 19.
Ain't no different.
Extreme penetrator, and then we're gonna backdoor and shoot a FMJ.
Which one y'all rocking with?
Woo, that's a big dent, baby. That's
So
a.
then stop the 43X.
If it stopped that, it's gonna stop the FMJ. I already know that for a fact. What you pick?
I think so.
It's gonna stop the FMJ?
Yeah.
Woo, baby!
Look
Hey.
at that big old thing.
At least that's not cap. All right, now we have FMJs. You hit it?
Yeah.
What? And you was talking about what if I? I'm over here, child.
Sorry.
You was talking about what if I miss? What if you miss, man? If you miss, keep jumping. Oh Lord!
I try to hit it right here on this side because we know that side was like the side that was
Shut your stupid.
Let me see if that opens it up. I think it's done with though, honestly. Nah, shot it. Now, let's try 38 Super. Bling,
wait.
blow. Oh yeah, you like that? It's my first 1911, man. Actually, somebody corrected me in the comments. I did have a 22 long rifle 1911. I got rid of it because it had a jamming issue. And yes, I'm in Texas, but I don't want to jam guns. I just want to jam. 38 Super. You want to shoot this? You never got to shoot this.
that didn't even make
Yeah,
it
barely.
fire or nothing.
Barely.
Oh, this thing heavy. Oh, I shot up there.
Oh, shoot that bit again. You hit it? Yeah, you hit it.
Where I
Let me
hit
see.
it?
Cabrón. Cabrón. We go suave. Let me pick this up real quick.
Your shoes dusty. Why are your shoes always dusty? Did that make you a dusty dude?
Alright, these are the Picanho.
Wait. What is this?
And it's kind of warm, so I think this is the 38 Super.
That has to be
38 Super. 38 Super. 38 Special.
That's
38 Super. Yeah, this is the 38 Super right here. Let's just jump into the big boy caliber.
What you got in the what the top?
It's that 50 GI.
You're really gonna try that?
Am I?
You're really gonna do that? They didn't say a 50 GI stops.
Well, they didn't say all that other stuff was stopping and it did.
Shoot.
Dang! Boy, that didn't open up the steak. Tip it on, man. Woo!
Dang, this thing bent back like paperclip.
Yeah, that probably opened her up. Well, the battery's not out. Let me see. Hello. Dang, boy, well, we see this not easy to open.
Ain't got nothing in it.
Let me do this bit. Come on.
If you had a crowbar.
If I had a crowbar, I could probably bust it open until the DJ bring it back red. Bam, baby. Thank you. Need these batteries.
So if you want to get into anybody safe, I recommend getting a 50 GI.
You can't be telling folks that. But yeah, man. Look at these though. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty neat right there though.
That's like a pimple.
You know, as you can see, nothing penetrated through.
Nothing.
Yeah. Well, that's not cap. But can I get the
Ram truck.
Yeah, let's see it. I got something else I want to throw at it.
You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious?
Ready for something.
I got a fast trigger finger, huh?
Yep. Nothing major.
Okay. Well, this does not stop 2 degrees though. See, went through. It made it to the top. Yep, made it clean through.
Yeah, don't play with it.
I want to see, can a 10 mil go through that thing? Let's see, baby. Oh, clean hole. Lord, gee. That's a clean hole right there. But it didn't go through. That 10 mil is something different. Nah, the 10 mil did not go all the way through though. Yeah. I ain't finna play with that thing trying to get open. But the 10 mil did not go all the way through. But it did punch a hole through it. But it punched a mean hole through that thing. Alright, Ghghussle gang, we are back at the cribbo. As you can see, I just want to do a short little, you know what I'm saying, recap on the safe. Just to get y'all the specs, just in case y'all actually interested in buying one. I actually think this is a good safe, you know. It just didn't pass the car test, you know. I don't know, maybe it wasn't
Ram truck.
certified, you know. Fingerprints. It can hold
Already unlocked.
multiple guns. 4 Glocks full, as you can see. 4 GF, 4 Glocks full. It holds the Glock 19. That thing is a beauty, yes Lord. It holds the Glock 19X. Another beautiful baby, you know what I'm saying? Big step with that one. Well, we got the Glock 21. Oh, my fault, 22 actually. 40 cal. That thing is pretty too. And we also have the Glock 20 big boy 10 mil. So you know it holds little Glocks, big Glocks, whatever Glocks you like. You see, you got 4 holes right there. You can bolt them down. Comes with this doohickey right here. It says it's hard to cut through. Hook it up through here, hangs out through there. Hook it up so it's gonna be hard to take, so you can bolt it down and hook it up elsewhere. And we seen this thing is legit, man. It stops bullets, all types of stuff. It does call for 4 AA batteries. Batteries not included. And also it has a little cord right here, just in case the batteries fail, or even the key, just in case the batteries fail. Also comes with an app, so you can track this bad boy, and it notify you if somebody opens it, key or fingerprint wise. You can have multiple fingerprints on here. As you can see, multiple fingerprints. Yes, Lord.
Already unlocked.
We know it. And it is also key activated, which I don't understand, because watch this.
System locked. System locked. Successful.
So maybe the key is just for if the batteries die or something. I don't know, cause I don't think you want that to happen when a robber's in your house and you're trying to discreetly unlock it with your key, because I don't know. Yeah, maybe the key is just for if the batteries die. Who knows? But hey, if a kid gets a hold of the key, that'll sound off. It'll scare them, piss in their pants. Probably have a little stanky dookie. And it also will notify your phone if you have it connected to the app. Comes with 2 keys, and it is the Pine World K5, baby. Check it out, you know what I'm saying?
Already unlocked.
And then boom.
Already unlocked.
So there y'all go, just a little speed recap of the safe. I think it's a nice, decent safe. But y'all boys stay tuned. I might actually do a safe giveaway. If y'all think I should do this safe giveaway, comment down below safe giveaway. And if I see 100 comments saying safe giveaway, I will give away this safe. One person might just get blessed with this safe. But guns and batteries not included.
3D, feeling like a motion picture too big for the TV. The most I said in this truth, young and just be me. So please try your best not to judge when you see me. And we don't